Hello and welcome to the Cryptocurrency News channel. So, I don't know what you guys think about this, but SBF actually supports a knowledge test for retail derivatives traders. Now, they're talking about this in regards to crypto because, a lot of derivatives are leveraged, and since crypto is already extremely volatile, it just wrecks people and it kind of like screws with the market a lot because you have like massive liquidations that make the market swing massively up and down. So I actually do agree with Sam Bankman-Fried. He also says it shouldn't be limited to crypto, meaning that if you want to trade derivatives in the stock market, you should have to pass a knowledge test as well. And I actually support this because derivatives are a very dangerous thing. Before you jump into them, I do think you should have to know what you're doing, and you do that by passing some kind of a test, the basics on futures, the basics on derivatives, like where their value comes from, like is it leveraged or not, how to do this, how to do that, the risks of derivatives. I don't think this test should be overly hard, but I don't think a complete noob should just be allowed to jump into derivatives and leverage trading without any kind of knowledge test, because that means that anyone can be fooled by people who are hyping derivatives platforms or leverage platforms without having real knowledge of what these platforms actually do. So I do support a knowledge test. The test should be given free of charge, or maybe like some minimal fee, like $5 or something. And you should have to pass this test and show that you have some knowledge of what these things actually mean before you trade them, because not only does it hurt you, it also screws with the market a lot, because the market can become over leveraged, or you take derivatives too much one way or the other way, and it could be really bad. And I do agree with SBF that it shouldn't be limited to digital assets. It should actually be pretty much the entire market. So basically, SBF tweeted his thoughts in response to an idea floated by the CFTC, and I really kind of hope the CFTC does this. I mean, it would be really bad for certain influencers who basically make a lot of money shilling derivatives trading or leverage trading. But I do believe that for the entire market, especially for crypto, it would help. It would make less people think it's a scam, because less people would actually just completely get wiped out on their first day. So, and they're targeting derivatives because of crypto, more retail investors are entering derivatives markets, and that's why they're calling for the CFTC to separate these investors from professional and high net worth individuals and have disclosures written in a way that regular people understood or could be used when weighing rules on the use of leverage. So, I mean, that's what I'm talking about. I think disclosures should be in big, bold letters when you actually sign up. I do think that, everyone, including high net worth individuals, should have to pass the exact same knowledge test before trading in them, because you want to know, you should know, how this can affect the market and how easily you can get wrecked, and what derivatives actually are, and if you should play them or if you shouldn't. They should also have a disclaimer saying that crypto is already extremely volatile, and maybe you should think again before doing this. Now, I think that's an acceptable barrier, and I do think you should actually extend it to all markets, but it would be prevalent especially to crypto. So that's my thoughts on it. Let me know what you think. Like and subscribe, hit that bell notifications button. Thank you, and have a nice day.